Whoa! There was a Moon and Venus conjunction going on that night. I just happened to come across a mostly forgotten road. It was closed years ago due to a washout about 10 miles down, effectively making it a road to nowhere. At this time, it had been over 38 years since the eruption, and the devastation was still incredible to see and witness. There's some big country back in here. You can see how the entire north side of the mountain collapsed into the lake itself. It was the largest landslide in recorded history,